Hello, and welcome to another episode of Bad Science. Today we have a special treat for you. We're going to be duplicating the same chemical reaction that happens inside your stomach when you drink Coca-Cola and burp. So what we're going to do to produce this reaction is we're going to use Coca-Cola and mix it with pool chlorine. And the pool chlorine, which is made up of amniotic phosphorus, when it mixes with the protein compounds inside of the Coca-Cola, the results should be explosive. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to start by pouring the Coca-Cola inside of our large flask. Yep. All right. Don't want too much to fizzle out. Dump that in. We've got plenty of Coca-Cola. I've got a giant sized balloon. This is actually going to trap the gases. I'm going to fill it full of the granule pool chlorine. Okay. I'm going to tell you right now, this experiment is extremely dangerous. Do not try this at home. I am a self-trained professional. I have the know-how, the knowledge to keep myself safe. And I'm sure you're wondering two things. Why is he not inside his garage? I'm actually outside of my garage. This is my garage behind me. Second question you're probably wondering is, why does he not have protection on? I'll be right back. All right, I've got my gas mask on. There's no way I would try this experiment without gas mask. All right, I'm actually gonna take off the gloves. Put this on. All right, Coca-Cola chlorine reaction in 3, 2, 1. Okay, you're gonna watch the reaction start to build. What the heck? This actually proved my point exactly. In order for this to be the exact same reaction as what happens inside your stomach, we're gonna need to expose this to air. Take off my glove. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. What the heck? It's actually surprising to you guys, but not to me, that this experiment did not work, because the chemicals in the balloon actually offset the process that was happening inside of the bottle. The balloon is made up of amniotic fluid. The amniotic probiotics that were inside of the Coca-Cola were reversed when I put the balloon on top. So it's actually exactly what I thought was going to happen. So fortunately, I did not need my gas mask today. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you next time on Bad Science.